happier if you'd never met me. Is that what you're trying to say?
You said it. I didn't.
If the course of true love in Bewitched sometimes goes berserk, could it be due to outside interference? Like way outside?
Go back to your friendly bartender with your mouth full of olives. I have been absolutely powerless all day. I've been trying to get the piano to play, and the fire to burn, and the lighter to light.
I mean it, Sam. There are times I wish I never met you. Of course, there are other times I realize that I couldn't live without you, and I have to admit that's most of the time.
Follow the continuing comedy of witchcraft versus mortal patience on Bewitched, in color on ABC.